Hey everyone, it's Zach here from Metalhead Homebrewing. This is just a very quick video really to show you how to link your RAPT Pill across with Brewfather. I don't know how to do it for the other software because I only use Brewfather. It's worth pointing out that there are a few other videos on YouTube kicking about with this information on. Some seem slightly more complicated than others. I got this one from Party Time Brew and also on YouTube. It was extremely easy, it worked first time, I had no issues with it, so I thought I'd just share it as well. But in short, it's a simple process. First thing you want to do is log on to your Brewfather app. If you've not had any devices linked before, you won't have this tab here for devices. So what you want to do is go down to settings. So I'll start from the top. Scroll right the way down and you'll see custom stream. If you enable that, you'll see below it a URL address here with a nice copy thing. Click that and copy it. So once you've done that, you go back to your RAPT cloud. In the top right, go down to webhooks. You see mine's already there. You won't have any, so you'll create a new webhook. Custom webhook will do. I'll show you mine because it will look the same. You'll also just be blank if I go into edit. So you'll start with your details page, name it whatever you want, Brewfather, you don't need a description, but in the URL is where you'll paste that URL we just copied, this one from Brewfather. That goes in there. Make sure you turn the method to post. That's that bit done. In your payload, what you need to do is put this in exactly as it's written there. What I'll do is I'll copy paste that and put it in the description so you can copy paste it in. You can write it out yourself, I did that. But just make sure you get every little detail in there, commas, etc. Otherwise it won't work. That creates the link basically. The rest of it, there's nothing really to do. All you need to do is go to devices, make sure that you've got a tick on yellow pill, because that's or whatever pill you've got, make sure that's linked. And then following that, all of your logs of any data will be in here. So if there's any issues, you get red flags. But if you do it this way, there shouldn't be any. So what you then do is save, and then that will create the link. Now Brewfather, it takes a while for it to come across, but you will get a notification saying that a device has been linked. Mine took about 15-20 minutes, some people said it takes an hour. Once you've had that link, you're pretty much good to go. You'll have devices and you should see whatever you've named your thing in there. Now in terms of using it, I'll show you mine. I created a batch to test it in some water. So if I go batches, this is an archive batch. It was the one where I just chucked it in some water and tested it all worked. So what we do is you set your batch up. Once you're all linked, before you start, you go devices and your pill should be in there. And there's mine. Hit attach and it will start receiving that data. Again, you'll have to probably wait an hour for the first bit of data to come through, but then it works absolutely perfectly. So make sure you've hit attached at the beginning of your fermentation, and then as you can see on mine, the data comes through. You've got your temperature, you've got your gravity. Obviously mine was in water, so the gravity hasn't changed, that's just where it was settling, and your temperature, and it'll keep transmitting that data till you tell it to stop. So when your fermentation's finished, before you close all your Brewfather thing down, just unattach it, put it away, ready for next time. But yeah, that's the basic principle of how you set it up. Just make sure you copy paste that payload in exactly into your webhook, name everything correctly, and you shouldn't have any issues. Hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a like and consider subscribing if you want. Thank you.